is the working in the current year?
Current year is a very typical year. The Indian economy itself is facing some tough problems, and our bank is no exception to that. Due to the recessionary trends and inflationary trends flushing at one point, there is a big problem about the business. Getting fresh business for the banks is a tough issue because the industry is pessimistic and therefore credit expansion is affected. Moreover, the recoveries of the loans already given is also under pressure. So on one hand, we have to struggle to achieve the targets, and on the other hand, we have to ensure that our loan assets are kept in good health. This is of course not the issue faced only by our bank. This is the issue faced by the banking industry as a whole in India, and we are not exception. But nonetheless, we are confident that we will certainly ensure that our loan assets are kept in good health, and we will achieve our business targets. To achieve the business targets, we will have to go for lateral expansion also by expanding the areas beyond our current reach. We will be opening branches in the state of Maharashtra, which is our area of operation at present, and we will be going multi-state very shortly. We have to keep pace with the technological advancement, because in banking, whether it's a public sector bank, a private sector bank, or a cooperative bank, for customer it's the same, and therefore whatever services are offered by one bank, the customer expects all other banks to get those services from his or her bank. So naturally, whatever services which are offered by any modern bank have to be offered by us also. And to meet that end, we have to keep our technological advancement ongoing. Now, for a bank like us, the technology doesn't come for free; it costs, and we have to apportion those costs. And on one hand, we have to apportion those costs, but on the other hand, we have to offer the products at the competitive rates, keeping in mind the rates for those products in the market. So it's a balancing act which we have to do, and in a period where business is hard to come, naturally this balancing of cost is always also a challenge. But nevertheless, we will meet that challenge.
What are the challenges?
The challenges, the first challenge is to retain the customer, and the next challenge is to get the new customer, because there are many banks operating in India, particularly in Maharashtra, and there is a stiff competition. And when the products are similar, we are dealing in financial products, and financial products offered by all banks are more or less similar. There may be some cosmetic differences, but otherwise the products are similar, and the cost of offering those financial services are also determined by certain factors. So keeping the costs under control and keep offering the banking products and services at the competitive, affordable rates, it's a big challenge. To ensure that, we have to keep doing technological advancement, for which again we have to incur cost. And to meet these additional costs, we have to ensure increase in business. Here again we have to face the competition. We have to face the competition from the fellow banks, public sector, private sector, cooperative. Then there will be non-banking financial intermediaries, with whom also we have to compete. Then we have to compete with some unorthodox institutions operating in India in the field of finances. So competition is very tough, and that is a major challenge. And to add the woes to the banking industry, the current state of Indian economy is certainly not helping, because there is a recessionary trends in the industry, which with the end of third quarter it is expected that the trends will reverse, and all of us are eagerly waiting for that to happen. But currently the recessionary trends are there, coupled with inflation in the market, so industries are also facing trouble. There is pressure on the profits of most of the industries. The expansion plans of the industries are on hold. So garnering fresh business proposals is also a difficult thing. But because of the spread of our bank in different areas, particularly in B-class towns and cities apart from Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Nasik, we will be able to garner that business and we will keep going in spite of the competition. That's what I am confident.
How much best you are using technology for benefit of the customers?
We are a techno-savvy cooperative bank, and whatever products and services which are offered by a modern bank, it is always our intention to offer all those services to our customers, and in that end we are keeping technological advancement constantly. 6 years ago, our bank adopted core banking solutions and all our branches are interconnected. Any customer of any of our branch can transact business from any of the branches of the bank. We have got ATMs at most of our branches, and our ATM is part of NFS network, and therefore a customer of our bank holding our ATM card can use the ATM card on more than 1 lakh of ATMs across the country. We have got all other remittance facilities like RTGS and NEFT. We are the first cooperative bank and 19th among all banks in India to launch mobile banking. And I believe in next 10 years, mobile banking will be the key part of banking. Most of the people, we are all aware that in India, we have got the highest number of mobile users, and all these mobile users will be relying on mobile banking in the next decade, and therefore that will be a very important indicator, and we are the first bank to launch the mobile banking in cooperative sector. Then we are also offering the other services like bill payments etc. through mobile, and in that case also our bank is the 10th bank in India to offer such services. Then we have got a website which is interactive. Very shortly we plan to ensure that most of our customers visit our website, particularly the people who want different kind of services or loans. They should visit our website, they should fill in their request, they should fill in the form over there, and from the interactive website their request will be considered and they will be issued sanction letters etc. And that is in process, and within a short span of say next 1 year or so that will become operative. Our customer at present visit branches, but there is a new class of customer, the young generation. They want to do the banking on mobile and their net account, and we are enabling both these services via mobile banking and net banking, and it will be a reality that most of our customers will be able to transact business 24/7 either from mobile or from their computer by resorting to net banking. We also have a e-lobby installed at our main branch at Dombivli, and which we want to repeat at other branches also, where from with the help of machines like cash deposit, ATM, check deposit and check collection machine, all the banking transactions can be carried out 24/7 by any of the customer through these e-lobbies of the bank. So all in all, the bank is techno-savvy bank, giving all products which are offered by advanced technology in a bank, and our bank is being recognized and will be recognized as one of the top techno-savvy banks in India.
What is the secret of good growth of your bank?
The bank started its functioning in 1970 in the town of Dombivli with the intention to cater to the needs of small people. The bank was established by a team of founder directors who were selfless, who hailed from middle class but were devoted and dedicated, and that tradition has continued till today. Even today, as our Madam Chairman told, the directors devote their time without expecting any returns from the bank, and the bank is placed in the hands of professional managers, and with the help of the devoted team of directors and the professional managers, the bank has always ensured that the goals and ideals which were adopted by the founders to serve the small people, that has been continued. And it is the dedication to the service of the small man, because of which the bank is prospering. The bank has created a trust among the customers, in the minds of the customers, and howsoever the competition may be, a customer when becomes a customer of Dombivli Sahakari Bank, DNS Bank, he would never desert it. He would remain with the bank whatever happens, whatever may be the competition, whatever may be the competitive products, but once he is linked to the Dombivli Sahakari Bank, he will remain. That kind of services, that kind of affection he gets from the bank, and that is our real strength. The selfless service to the customer is the real strength of the bank.
How much strong is your brand?
Our brand is strong in the area where we are operating, naturally, because that way we are a small bank. Right now we have presence in 37 places in Maharashtra. The bank started business in Dombivli, part of Thane district, and initially spread across Thane district, and it is only last decade that the bank has moved beyond Thane district. But now wherever we have gone, DNS Bank is known, Dombivli Sahakari Bank is known, and the bank, DNS Bank, is getting stronger and stronger. Wherever you go, where we have got our presence to our branch, the people of that town or city would recognize our bank, and with our bank and brand, they associate certain values. Because the values are associated with this brand is getting stronger and stronger, and once we get multi-state, I am sure this brand will spread across the country with a vengeance.
What is your business philosophy?
Our philosophy is to serve the people, serve the small people. Today, there are banks which cater to only elite class. There are banks which cater to particular region. We are a bank which wants to cater all different sections of the society. But of course the focus will be on those for whom the banking facilities are not easily available in other sectors of the banking. So basically the middle class, lower class people are our customers. We are financing to small industries, professionals and self-employed. We are taking care of the financial needs of the students. We are taking care of the financial needs of the women entrepreneurs. So men, women, female, male, young, old, senior citizens, youngsters, students, all are our customers, and we are catering to them all. We are having presence in big towns and cities, but we are also having presence in rural places and semi-urban places also. And our focus is on all class of customers. A customer who wants to grow, who wants to ensure his own financial growth and development, we want to assist and give hand-holding to all such customers to ensure that they grow, and along with them we also grow.
Thank you.
Thank you.